This is the story about baby Jesus. The angel came to Mary to tell Mary that she was going to have a baby. Then the angel went to the shepherd to tell him that there's a new king that was going to be born. Do I need to bring the sheep with? So the shepherd went to go see baby Jesus. The wise men followed the star to go see the baby Jesus.